Hello, this is Devon, and it is August 22nd, 2024. The purpose of this recording is to review documents necessary to do IRA to Roth conversions. Specifically, the documents needing to be reviewed are the Fidelity net worth, current as of today, and then I got my Social Security statement, and then my Word document that has kind of the general stuff in it. So I'll start off with the Social Security statement. It's dated September 21, 2023, and it does have a substantial increase, I guess, because of the inflation. And at 62 is $1,657, and it goes up from there. So that is one of the documents I'm sending to you today. So that's it right there. Okay, the next document I'll review is the Fidelity document. Now, this Fidelity is current as of today. I have all my money in it. So I'll just briefly review. I have the cash, and this $209,000 is what I need to live off of for 2024, 2025, and so this 209,000 or so is what I need to live off of until age 59 and a half, and I will be age 59 and a half on roughly June 1st, 2026. So 2 years. In addition, I have some house work I need to get done during that time, and I have to pay roughly $30,000 a year for 2 years on the IRA to Roth conversions, as well as other estimated taxes. So those are my estimates, so those could change. Y'all are helping me with that, so that could be different. So that's how long this money needs to last. Of course, at age 59 and a half, I can start withdrawing my retirement monies with no penalty. And that's what I plan to do. And IRA to Roth conversions after age 59 and a half, I'm going to have to pay the tax out of the conversion, the IRA. So that's my tentative plan, unless I hear a better one. So I have investments. I have $209,000 in cash, and then I have investments. I have $2.8 million or so, and it's broken down here. Now you'll see all the money's here, and you can see specific balances, and this other Word document right here will refer to it, but this has the most accurate numbers, and the Fidelity document has today's current value of the different accounts, and they're all here. And I actually do have a life insurance policy, 2 of them. That's my dad's right here. That's my mom's. I'm getting roughly 4.8% dividend every single month on those. And those, I'm treating those as like an emergency fund. I need to add money to it to make it $100,000, but that was my plan for my emergency fund, is $100,000 made up of the New York Life one of 2 and 2 of 2, plus the money to make it $100,000 some cash. And I'm thinking that cash is going to come from this cash right here, but I gotta be miserly with my money, because I got home improvements to make, I got IRA to Roth taxes to make, I got estimated taxes to make. So gotta pay close attention to what's going on here, so make sure I have enough money to cover everything. But this, my credit card liabilities are over here too, so that's good. And so I think that pretty much covers the Fidelity statement, because it has all my money here current as of today. So now I'll jump over to this document I think that you explicitly asked for. Now just keep in mind this document has kind of the overall plan, but the numbers may not be 100% accurate, but the Fidelity has the 100% accurate numbers. So the big picture on how I have my retirement plan set up is it has 3 buckets. It has a cash bucket, an income bucket, which will be my daily living expenses once I reach age 59 and a half, and I have a growth bucket for long-term stuff and for funding things like my long-term care if I need to go that route, funding parent scholarships, and stuff like that. So it's in here. It's a lot of stuff in here, and I think a lot of the stuff you don't need to see, but I'll review it. A lot of my notes, but here is the cash bucket, and of course these numbers aren't 100% accurate. The Fidelity document has 100% accurate, but this kind of gives a sense of what I'm trying to do here. So there's that. That is the income bucket right there. And then here is my equity income bucket, and these accounts are accurate. I have the X49057, and I have converted all of this to SCHD. So there's no conversion more necessary on this. I might need to, what I still have to do on this is sell that ARKK, take a loss on it. I have to do that next year because I figured out that it would be more tax advantageous for me to take that loss next year. But here are all the accounts. Of course, I didn't sell this. This is still my emergency fund. This right here has not been sold. This life insurance, that's my emergency fund for my daily living expenses, my equity income. So it's kind of related to equity income, but it's my emergency fund. So all of these, my equity income fund is ready to go. It's right now set up to earn roughly $50,000 a year, and of course I'll reinvest it until I start need to withdraw it at age 59 and a half, and that'll be, I think it's June 1st or so of 2026. So there is that information, and then that's the equity income bucket. Then I got the growth bucket, and I may need to sell some. I think this is pretty much ready to go. It doesn't need anything done to it, but of course I do need to start, there's some things I need to start converting IRA to Roth. And so this is the first account I'm going to tackle right here. I'm going to convert that one. Now, I can't do 121K, in 2024, so I'm thinking around 50-ish. So that's my first. So 2024, 2025, I'll convert this one hopefully all to Roth. And then I'll look at whatever next one I need to do. So that's the plan there. A lot of extra information that I hope you need to kind of be focused on what you need to look at and don't get confused by all this other junk in here. Just miscellaneous information here. My growth bucket is self-funded long-term care, catastrophic health insurance fund, and I actually have a new health issue going on with me, and I hope it won't get expensive, but I do have a health issue, and that's going to have to come out of the that income bucket. So I got to be careful here. Car transportation, if I need a new car, I'll probably never get a new car, but a newer car maybe. I expect my house will need a new HVAC system sometime before I die, and probably new water pipes. Now I also want to fund my parents' scholarship. That's $50,000 each. And that's with the Citadel in Charleston, South Carolina, as well as the Medical University of South Carolina in Charleston, South Carolina. And I think the taxation stuff will be 70.5. I think when at age 70.5 is when I need to do that. Hopefully I'll make it there. So let's see. I might have to work part-time, side hustle, own business or something. We'll see. I guess we'll see how that works out. Now I do have a small, tiny little pension supposedly, we'll see if it comes to pass, but BBT $3,000 a year starting at age 65. So, excuse me. We'll see if that comes to pass. I'm not so sure about that, but they say that's what they say right now. And then I got various things going on: vision, future planning. My expenses are roughly around 43 grand, and I've made 50 grand because I'm having so many health issues actually lately and I got a $5,000 deductible insurance, but hopefully everything's going to work out in my favor there. And I think, anyways, I hope you don't get confused by all this other stuff and just take what you need out of this and ignore everything else. I got all my notes in here in one place, so I apologize for that. So, I think that pretty much covers it. I'm sending you 3 documents: Social Security number document, Social Security amount document, my net worth current as of today, or yesterday I guess now, current as of 8/22/2024, and I got this this master document that kind of details everything. So I hope this is helpful to you. I appreciate you looking at this stuff for me for my IRA to Roth conversion and figuring out what my best strategy would be. I can be reached at 919-602-3773, and I can receive texts at this number. Thank you very much. That's it. Bye-bye.